Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we're going to learn how to log into your Optum HSA account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in optumbank.com and click on enter. After that, you will be directed to official homepage of Optum Bank. Now click on this link which says use your HSA/FSA. After that, at the top right corner, you can see a sign in link. Click on it. After that, you will get the option of sign in and create account. Click on sign in here. Now you need to type in your email address and password. After typing in your information, you can click on sign in button to log into your Optum HSA account. You can click on this show link to ensure that you have typed your password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and follow the instructions to reset it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.